naka-receive na tax confirmation receipt sa email. How should we proceed? Save all docs from the portal as proof of submission. Ayun guys, maraming taxpayer na nag-file ng first quarter ITR ng May 14 at May 15 na hindi pa rin nakaka-receive ng tax return receipt confirmation hanggang ngayon. Date today is June 6. Maraming hindi naka-receive ng tax return receipt confirmation. Wala pa rin kasing official guideline si BIR sa ganitong case. Kung anong gagawin natin pag alam nating nakapag-file tayo, successfully submitted, pero hindi dumating yung tax return receipt confirmation. Pero yung nabanggit mo, possible yan, isave mo yung proof mo, di ba, na nakapag-file ka. Another option, may mga taxpayer tumatawag sa RDO nila, kino-confirm nila kung pumasok ba yung na-file nila. So ayun guys, sana mag-release si BIR ng guidelines sa ganitong case dahil lagi naman ito nangyayari pag deadline nagpa-file si taxpayer. Malaki yung chance na sobrang tagal ma-receive yung tax return receipt confirmation or minsan nga hindi na talaga naka-receive ng email confirmation. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.